Just as light illuminates reality and doesn't matter what wavelength, it could be from a monochromatic star like a red star, green star, or blue star, the light itself illuminates reality as it is in real time. The consequences of this model show that light and gravity behave the same. All the light you ever see is ultimately the re-emitted light from the electrons making up yourself. And I think the same applies to gravity. All the gravity we ever feel is ultimately the re-emitted gravity from the electrons making up ourselves. And the illusion is that we can only measure the re-emitted gravity from the electrons making up ourselves, so it's physically impossible to measure the primary gravity from any source or to measure any gravitons, because the gravity is re-emitted as a secondary from the frame of reference of the electrons making up Earth and the electrons making up everything on the Earth. So it's my personal belief that, according to the consequences of this theory, that light and gravity behave the same and that there are probably gravitational shadows. I think that gravity has a spectrum just like light. And just as different light can have different colored shadows, and given that a color light can have a given colored counterpart shadow, it doesn't matter the color of the shadow or the color of the light. Light still illuminates reality regardless. A primary gravity, a re-emission of a secondary gravity, or a gravitational shadow will affect surrounding bodies regardless.